Let's show you the features that it pulls up, and then I'll show you a few more example files. So these are the manufacturing features that it automatically will seek out no matter what kind of file you bring into SOLIDWORKS. Billets, chamfers, pockets, your counterbores, things like that. So we'll go through this feature recognition process. So if you take a look at the example on the left there, we have a sketch that we extruded as one sketch and built a feature out of it. DimExpert sees that as 10 different manufacturing features. It sees a slot, it sees a notch, it sees a chamfer, and it will apply tolerancing based on those types of features, consistent with what's prescribed in your document properties. The automatic dimensioning scheme, which I showed you, will take the datum planes and apply the tolerances as such. And as you saw previously, you can apply dimensions manually. And the great benefit of this is its integration with the tolerance stackup. So why do this? Why go through the effort of hitting this button when you have your dimensions already in SOLIDWORKS? When you're creating a sketch, let's take a look at the example here at the top. We have a sketch of half symmetry sketch of the part that you see at the bottom, and we've dimensioned that in a way that is the fastest, easiest way to dimension it to create a 3D model with design intent. However, those dimensions aren't going to be really good when you're doing your dimensioning on the print or for quality. They're not consistent with manufacturing processes. So you can still have the best of both worlds with DimExpert. Use your sketch dimensions for the best parametric way of modeling, but use DimExpert to apply your manufacturing process to the part.